Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a battery terminal. It's pretty simple. All you need is a small knife, an 11mm, and an impact to make things faster. So pretty much I'm going to start with the negative. It's just two 11mm right here. That wire comes out, pull your terminal out, and then you get your new terminals. I bought these in AutoZone, whatever. So pretty much make sure these are loose, and you would just slide your wire in there and make sure it's tight. And then you also need some pliers. So what I like to do is kind of try to twist them a little bit, make them somewhat tight. Then you get your battery terminal, make sure it goes all the way in, and then it's a lot easier with an impact. Okay, that's tight. That's a negative. The positive, I'm gonna have to cut the wires back a little bit. And this is a positive one. Oop, that went down. Okay. So I'm gonna be removing this for the meantime, and I have to cut back the plastic. What I also like to do is do a slit on the plastic, and then that way you could just pull it back. Now these wires are a little bit corroded already. Okay. Then you get your positive, same thing. Make sure both of your wires are in there. Now this side is a little bit harder because you do have two thicker wires instead of one. Okay, make sure you get them as far up as you can. No, like it is a little bit hard to do with this style of terminals. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. You just have to make sure you squeeze both of them in the middle. You do need a 13 for these right here to make it tighter. Like I said, if you're using an impact, just be careful. But that's nice and tight. And then here's your positive. Again, make sure it's not too tight because you could mess up the threads. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty quick job. It should probably take you like 5 minutes to do this. But I'll catch you guys back in the next video. Thanks for watching.